welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. This video is about how to reset the dock to its default setting. Let's say if you have customized your dock a lot, and if at any point you want to revert back to the original settings, you can easily reset it using terminal. So to do it, let's open the terminal and type this command: default dock. So this will trigger any customization and bring your dock to its factory settings, right? So before I hit this button, before I hit this command, let's do some customization so that you can understand the effect, right? So I'm opening the dock settings and just minimizing the dock. Okay, and now I'm going to hit this command. Okay, there you go. It has been reset to its default size. Okay, so that was the quick tip, and stay tuned for more quick tips on the macOS. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day.